Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron Automotive. Today we're going to be replacing the heater core in a 96 Chevy 3500 dually. It's my service truck. Basically, it's not a daily driver. I use it to haul trailers and whenever I need something with a little extra oomph. But because it hasn't been a daily driver, I've neglected it. I really have. It's a great running truck. It's 4-speed with overdrive, manual transmission. It'll pull a house off the foundation if you wanted to. It's just not tired. Like I said, I've just neglected a little bit. So we got a leaky heater core. We're going to take care of that. Then I'm going to order the stuff to rebuild the front end and redo the brakes. We've got a leaky oil seal, rear main. We're going to end up pulling the motor and doing that, but we're not doing that right now. It just started, so it's not horrible, but I got to free up some room in the garage to do it. I just don't have the room right now. But back to the heater core. Pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. Your heater core comes out right down here. You see those two silver lines that are coming out. You got to disconnect the heater hoses, your two clamps, and then I'll show you my beautiful interior. I already pulled the glove box. Here's your heater core box. You've got these screws down here, and I'll get you a size as soon as I get my tools out. I can't remember off the top of my head. And you don't have to pull the whole box. All you got to do is pull this bottom cover, and it's a little bit of pain, especially getting the ones in the very back, which I'll show you when I get to them back there. You drop this out, you pop it out, you pop the new one in, put it back together. It's pretty cut and dry. Part number, like I said, it's a 96 GMC, well, Chevy 3500, and this part number is probably for pretty much every truck from mid 80s to probably late 90s, early 2000s. And it is 94483. All right, here's the cover you take off from underneath the dash. You've got 6 screws. There's 7/32. You've got one here. All the other ones are on tabs going around. Now you have one. This goes right up against the firewall. This one is a bear to get out. You're just going to have to play with it. Fortunately, somebody must have pulled this off before in the past, before I got the truck. This one was missing, but just be aware that there's one back there, and it's not easy to get out. This one here and this one here is a little tight. This one's not nearly as bad, but this thing's a bear to find, and it's a bear to get out, because you've got either your carpet or your rubber mat on your floorboard kind of tucks up underneath there. You got to pull that back to get room for your hand, and you can barely touch it with the tip of your finger to actually to reach it. Getting it back in is a lot harder than taking it off, trust me. I'm going to disconnect the heater hoses. I decided I'm just going to pull all this crap. So you got to unplug your sensors, your mass air, just a simple plug. Just kind of pry it back just a little bit. Be careful because they get brittle. Pull that one out, and then you have your other sensor here. Pull that out, and then just unclip this. Take your wing nut off and just pull the whole top half off. That gives you access to this area in here. See, told you, much better. And we're gonna pop these two clamps off, pull these hoses, and the heater core should just pop right out. Now I want to cover this because, quite honestly, I completely forgot. Right here, you've got this screw and you got this clip, and all it really does is hold this end of the heater core up in place. It really don't clamp it. It's almost like a like a bracket in a sense. Some styles, they do kind of clip on, I guess is the best way to explain it. If you're having trouble getting it out, make sure you loosen that up. Most of the new heater cores, or a lot of them, come with a new piece. I mean, you can see the old piece right here. And that's what you're looking at. Besides that, I mean, it's really no big deal. And for your garage, see this thing? It's the best investment I ever made. All it is a piece of foam. I think I paid like $3 or $5 for it at a flea market or something. You can use an old couch cushion, something. I mean, if you got a gravel drive like I do in front of the shop, you don't want to kneel on it, man. Knee pads or something like this, trust me, you'll thank me. That's pretty much it, guys, in a nutshell. She's back in. No leaks. Got heat again, thank God. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So simple, basic tools. Even I can do it. So if you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, subscribe, hit the notification button. We got a lot of videos coming up, and we'd love to have you with us. All right, you guys have a good one.